Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. We shall not lie or bear false witness. February 27th. Promises to all who keep God's law of love. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbour. Exodus chapter 20, verse 16. The ninth commandment requires of us an inviolable regard for exact truth in every declaration by which the character of our fellow men may be affected. The tongue, which is kept so little under the control of the human agent, is to be bridled by strong conscientious principles, by the law of love towards God and man. False speaking in any matter, every attempt or purpose to deceive our neighbour is here included. An intention to deceive is what constitutes falsehood. By a glance of the eye, a motion of the hand, an expression of the countenance, a falsehood may be told as effectually as by words. All intentional overstatement, every hint of insinuation calculated to convey an erroneous or exaggerated impression, even the statement of facts in such a manner as to mislead, is falsehood. This precept forbids every effort to injure our neighbour's reputation by misrepresentation or evil surmising, by slander or talebearing. Even the intentional suppression of truth by which injury may result to others is a violation of the ninth commandment. He, Jesus, teaches that the exact truth should be the law of speech. Let your speech be yea, yea, nay, nay. These words condemn all those meaningless phrases and expletives that border upon profanity. They condemn the deceptive compliments, the evasion of truth, the flattering phrase, the exaggeration, the misrepresentation in trade that are current in society and in business world. They teach that no one who tries to appear what he is not, or whose words do not convey the real sentiments of his heart, can be truthful. Everything that Christians do should be as transparent as the sunlight. Truth is of God. Deception in every one of its myriad forms is of Satan. We cannot speak the truth unless our minds are continually guided by He who is truth. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for your further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God,